Hi, so sorry but not sorry to bother you, but you were in my seat.
No, this is my seat actually. My seat's 12F.
No, you don't understand. I booked all the plane seats on this flight.
Oh, is that why it's so empty in here?
I bought all the tickets, so you're going to have to get out.
Well, you must have missed one. Seat 12F belongs to me. It says it right here.
Listen, I need to convince somebody at my destination that I own a private jet, so I'm gonna need you to get out.
Wow. Okay, so who are you trying to convince?
No one.
Well, now you have to tell me.
Just get out.
I will if you tell me.
Because I'm trying to convince this girl that I'm dating that I have a private jet.
Wow, so you're a catfish.
No, I do actually have a private jet, but I lost it in a poker game and I don't want to seem like a liar to her, so plan B.
Yeah, this doesn't look like a private jet.
She's never seen one, so it's fine.
Google.
Will you get out? I answered your question.
No.
But you said,
I lied.
flight attendant!